Now, your Alaska Link weather for Anchorage and South Central.
From starting off our week with some warm summertime conditions, we have quickly moved into more of a wet fall-like pattern where Tuesday was our first day of big rainfall. As we looked at yesterday, that was taking over the Kenai. Then into here our Wednesday, the entire area was pulling into those soaking showers. We even saw that Anchorage's total yesterday did get upwards of 1 inch and 3/10, now bringing that two-day total at 1 inch and 6/10, as well as noting that today a nearly additional inch was brought across much of the Bowl and Valley, allowing for some spikes in the river levels. This is a look at Chester Creek at Arctic Boulevard, and we can see there the high levels there, even bringing it to near moderate flood stage. And noting though that there is a decrease in the flood potential, is what we're seeing now is that drying is starting to work its way in. Showers are starting to diminish, and especially noting that the heaviest of the rainfall is now well out of the region. We'll look at a low of about 53 degrees, and we are getting a quick low from the rain activity. There still looks to be at least some of those higher elevation spots that grip onto that moisture that will keep some showers around, or at least those gray skies that keep that mist and damp environment. There is some potential of maybe breaking into some sunshine here for some of our lower elevation spots, so we'll keep an eye on that potential. Really will be dependent on how that cloud cover, especially low level cloud cover, will be able to break apart, as we're noting that the next system is already setting its eyes on southern Alaska. First impact is going to be between the southwest and the Alaska Peninsula, but has some potential to drag over our area Saturday into Sunday, with again big threats from wind to rain. So that is where we'll have to watch that flooding concern again, with already very saturated soils and higher river levels. So again, a few sprinkles in the morning hours, some fog possible, but the afternoon shows some potential of getting that sunshine, which would help for temperatures to head towards those 60s. So we can see most of the rain is going to be zoned over there, the Copper River Basin, for the overnight, and even some pull out there of those moderate showers there. There is some breakup in that cloud cover to potentially allow for some sunshine, but then waves of energy will start to lift back in as we head into Friday night. Some spotty at least showers there, and then more of our consistent here area of low that's going to lift in will be just south of our area into Saturday morning, and will take over by Saturday night. So we'll keep an eye on the rainfall potential coming from that Saturday into Sunday system. But for the time being, again, drying out, some light areas, some showers will remain in the forecast for Friday, but we're also hopeful to see some times of some sunshine as we sit just at 16 hours and 19 minutes of daylight. If we're able to get that sunshine, could have more 60s on the board. If we stay gloomier, could hold more 50s. Our Saturday is expected again to return to those overcast skies and those rain showers, which will keep us into the 50s Saturday and Sunday. Also note that the system has the potential bringing some pretty strong winds, especially for our coastal areas. So we'll keep an eye on that potential. And then we are watching that there is some drying that will move in for next week.